My dear students, in today's class, let us see some more examples on rank correlation coefficient. Here I have an example. 10 competitors in music contest are ranked by 3 judges A, B, C in the following order. Use the rank correlation coefficient to decide which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Here in this particular problem, they have not given the magnitude. Instead, they have given the ranks. Here they have given directly the ranks which is given by the judges. See, judge A for the first person, there is a first person, second person, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. 10 persons. For the 10 persons or for the 10 competitors, these 3 judges A, B, C have given their ranks. See, that distribution they have given here. See, the judge A has given the first rank for the first person, 6th rank for the second person, 5th rank for the third person, 10th rank for the fourth person and so on. Similarly, judge B has given 3rd rank for the first person, 5th rank for the second person, 8th rank for the third person and so on. Similarly, C judge has given 6th rank for the first person, 4th rank for the second person, 9th rank for the third person, 8th rank for the fourth person and so on. The rank given by the judges is given. Okay, now we have to find which pair of judges have the common taste of music. See, they are asking us to find which is the nearest approach common taste of music. So we have to find the correlation coefficient between the pair of judges. So let us denote row AB as rank correlation coefficient between the pair of judge AB and row AC as the rank correlation coefficient between A and C, and row BC be the rank correlation coefficient between the judges B and C. Here, since directly the rank is given in the problem, directly while constructing the table, we have taken the direct ranks we have taken in the columns. See, column A, B, C refers the ranks given by the judges A, B, C. Now directly we can find the difference between the ranks A and B. Difference between the ranks given by the judge A and judge B is denoted as DB. Difference between the rank given by the judge B and C is denoted by DBC. Difference between the rank given by A and C is denoted as DAC. Okay. Now let us find the difference in the ranks. See, for AB, for DAB, difference between these two ranks, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 8, minus 3, 10 minus 4, 6, 7, 3 minus 7, minus 4. Similarly, all the numbers. Similarly, go for the next one, that is BC, right? DBC is the difference between the ranks given by the judge B and C. So it is B and C, this column and this column. See, 3 minus 6, minus 3, 4, 5 minus 4, 1, 8 minus 9, it is minus 1. 8 minus 9, minus 1, 4 minus 8, minus 4. 7 minus 1, 6. Similarly, all the numbers. Now, DAC is the difference between the ranks given by A and C. So, A and C, this column and the third column. First and the third column. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Similarly, all the numbers you can write. Now, D square we need. So, it is D square of this AB, DAB square. If you square it, then it is D square AB. Then square it, what you will get? Minus 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, minus 3 the square is 9, 6 square is 36. Similarly, all the numbers. Similarly, DBC and DAC we have found. That is D square BC, D square AC we have found. We have taken the sum of D square AB. We have taken the sum of this D square AB, that is 200. D square BC is 214 and D square AC is 60. Okay. Now, what we are finding here, we are finding the correlation between, so we are finding here the rank correlation coefficient between the two judges, between the pair of judges. So let us take in the first case, let us take the pair of A and B. In the second case, let us take the pair of B and C. In the third case, let us take the pair of A and C. Now in the pair AB, I have to use D square AB only. In the pair BC, I have to use D square BC only. In the pair AC, I have to use D square AC only. Okay. Now, what is D square AB? D square AB is 200. Similarly, all the numbers we have substituted. N is equal to 10 here, and we have substituted and simplified. That is minus 0.21 we got here. In the second case, that is row BC. Here I have to substitute D square BC. What is D square BC? D square BC is 214. 214 I have substituted and simplified. I have got minus 0.297. Similarly, D square AC. What is D square AC? When you sum it, it is 60, right? So in place of D square, summation D square, I have substituted 60 and I got 0.636. Now I have to say which pair of judges have the same taste of music. Now, see, if I see these numbers, see, in the first case and in the second case, since the correlation coefficient are negative, rank correlation coefficient are negative, their tastes are opposite. And the third case, if you see the third case, rank correlation coefficient, that is AC, is positive and it is near to 1. the correlation between the judges A and C is positive and it is perfect correlation. We'll go for the next example now. The coefficient of rank correlation obtained by 10 students in M1 and M2 was 0.2. It was later discovered that the difference in ranks in the two subjects of one of the students was wrongly taken as 9 instead of 7. Find the correct rank correlation coefficient. Here we have to find the correct rank correlation coefficient. Earlier an error has happened. So to find the correct rank correlation, we have the rank correlation coefficient formula, that is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d squared divided by n into n square minus 1. Here the number of students they have taken the sample is 10 students. So n is equal to 10, and earlier there was an error with the difference in ranks, and in that time they have found the correlation coefficient and it was 0.2. Now we have to find the correct correlation coefficient. To find the correct correlation coefficient, let us first find what was the difference. Let us find what was the difference. Now to find the difference, just substitute this rank correlation coefficient in the same formula. Okay, so rho is equal to 0.2, right? Let me substitute that rho is equal to 0.2 in the same formula. So 0.2 is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n is 10. So 10 into 10 square minus 1. Now when I simplify this and when I solve this for sigma d square, what I am getting? Sigma d square is 132 I am getting. See, it is incorrect value. It is incorrect value. Now we have to find the correct value. To find the correct value, we have to remove the incorrect value. We have to add the correct value, right? See, what was incorrect? It was 9 was incorrect and the correct value is 7. See, the difference in ranks was wrongly entered as 9 instead of 7. See, 9 is the incorrect value and 7 is the correct value. See, instead of 7, they have entered 9. So I have to remove this 9 square and I have to add this 7 square. So for this 132, I have to remove this 9 square and I have to add 7 square so that I will get 100. Now in place of sigma d square, let me substitute that 100. So I will get the rank correlation coefficient, that is 0.394. I will get the correct rank correlation coefficient, that is 0.394. Thank you.